What if I told you that your first $100 online is just a few steps away? No gimmicks, no fluff, just pure, actionable advice to help you make money online and create more freedom in your life. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video where we talk about how you can take control of your financial future. My name's Micah, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first $100 online using Beacons, a game-changing platform for creators like you. Check the link in the description for $20 credit so you can try the pro version completely free for a month. But before we dive in, hit that like button if you're ready to start making money online, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a tip or trick to grow your creator business. So, what is Beacons? Simply put, it's the all-in-one platform designed to help creators like you monetize your passions. Whether you're selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or courses, or offering services like coaching calls, educational courses, you name it, Beacons has got you covered. But here's the thing, Beacons isn't just about selling stuff, it's about building a community around your brand and connecting with your audience on a deeper level. Think of it like your own personal website, but way more powerful and so much easier to use. With Beacons, you can create a beautiful storefront to showcase your products or services, build landing pages that convert, and even send out email newsletters to keep your audience engaged. Plus, they handle all the techie stuff, like payments and hosting, so you can focus on what you do best, creating. Imagine having all your links, products, and content in one place, easily accessible to your followers. No more juggling multiple platforms or struggling to drive traffic. Beacon streamlines everything, making it super simple for your audience to support your work. And the best part, it's completely free to get started. You heard that right. You can sign up for Beacons and start building your creator business today without spending a dime. How awesome is that? Now let's get to the fun part, coming up with your digital product idea. A lot of creators get stuck here thinking, there's nothing unique I can offer. But trust me, that's not true. Everyone has something valuable to share with the world. The key is to identify your strengths, passions, and the things people already come to you for advice on. What are you naturally good at? What do you geek out about? What problems can you help people solve? Maybe you're a whiz at creating stunning Instagram graphics, a master at organizing anything, or have a knack for teaching complex concepts in a simple, easy to understand way. These are all valuable skills that you can turn into profitable digital products. Think about it, people are willing to pay for convenience, expertise, and solutions. So if you can create a product that saves them time, teaches them something new, or helps them achieve their goals, you're golden. To get your creative juices flowing, I put together a free, downloadable worksheet with 20 digital product ideas to get you started. Just click my Micah Pure link in the description below to grab yours. Chapter 3, Building and Uploading Your Product. Got your idea? Great. Now let's turn it into reality. Here's how you can upload your product step by step. First, log into your Beacons account and navigate to the Products tab. Click on Create Product and choose the type of digital product you want to sell. For this example, we'll choose Digital Download. Next, upload your product file. This could be a PDF, a Canva template, a video course, or any other digital file format. Make sure your file is well organized, visually appealing, and delivers on the value you promised. Now it's time to craft a compelling product description. Highlight the benefits of your product, who it's for, and what results they can expect. Use clear, concise language, and sprinkle in some power words to make it irresistible. Finally, set your price, choose a captivating product image, and hit that publish button. Boom, your digital product is now live on your Beacon storefront, ready to rake in those sweet, sweet sales. Chapter 4, Marketing Your Product Like a Pro. You've built your product, now let's sell it. And lucky for you, Beacons makes marketing super simple and organized into an easily duplicatable system. The first thing you want to do is optimize your Beacon storefront for discoverability. Use relevant keywords in your product titles and descriptions so people can easily find you when they're searching for solutions. You could even ask a ChatGPT to help you with ideas. Next, leverage the power of social media. Share behind-the-scenes sneak peeks of your product creation process. Tease valuable content related to your product and run special promotions exclusively for your followers. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Build your email list by offering a lead magnet related to your product and nurture your subscribers with valuable content that positions you as an expert in your niche. And here's a pro tip. Collaborate with other creators in your niche. Cross-promote each other's products, do joint giveaways, and tap into each other's audiences to expand your reach. And there you have it. The exact blueprint to making your first $100 online with Beacons in 2025. From brainstorming your digital product to setting up your storefront and marketing it effectively, you now have everything you need to succeed. Remember, every successful creator started somewhere, and this could be your starting point. So if you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs this info, and subscribe for more tips to grow your creator journey. And check out my Beacon Store creation station, link in description, for a list of creative tools you can try out for free to help you with ideas, writing, images, and videos, deep research, and automating many of the repetitive, mundane tasks that take up too much of your precious, most valuable time. Drop your questions or ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, and I read all of them. Please share this message with anyone else you think would benefit from this information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, go out there and create your freedom.